Hi there guys, the Miniarts T-60 is coming along very well. That was a very difficult little fender to build, but I learned a lot. The difficult clips are done with their little wing nuts. And I've also pretty much got the turret done, so I've done that in parts. So I've painted the bottom part separate, and then I built that and I painted the inside of that, and then I've got the top and the lid just there. So I've just put some paint on that, so they'll dry up and we can do the detailing on that with a brush. I think that'll be the easiest, and it's actually not as hard as I thought it would be. It's not as busy and as complicated, but there is a hell of a lot of photo etch in that turret. There is a lot. It's good, it comes up nice with its the gun's a bit bent, this machine gun, so I'll have to try and straighten that up. It's bent in the box, which is a bit annoying. So I've just got a lot of photo etch work to go now on the body, so I've got to finish off the photo etch work here. There's a lot of photo etch that's got to go in here, so clips going onto the fenders, on the fenders, and I've also got to put these triangle brackets along here and on this side. So still got a fair bit of photo etch work to go, but I think most of it's pretty much complete. I've got to put the exhaust on. So there's a few things I've still got to go, but yeah, this fender was a little difficult, you know, feeding this through and all that, and getting it on at the same time, and but it's quite doable. It's not as hard as I thought it would be. And I've never really done those tiny little photo etch clips before, so I got better at it as I went along. So for the next one, I'll be able to be awesome at it. But yeah, this is a lovely kit. I'm obsessed. I wasn't planning to get this far in it, but yeah, it's really good. It's really fun to build. Miniarts an obsession, I reckon. Once you start them, you can't really stop. So there it is, in the turret. See, it's got the little thing where the bottom part, and that's where you put the 20mm ammo and feed it into the gun. And there the hand cranks to move it around. Very nice kit. Alright, I'll speak to you again soon.